You've built your client base, but are you maximizing your earning potential? Let's talk about a game-changing strategy that can boost your income without working more hours or finding new clients. It's called upselling, and it's about to become your secret weapon. Think about it. Most side hustlers are so focused on landing new clients that they overlook a goldmine right under their noses, their existing client base. But what if I told you that your current clients could be the key to doubling your income? It's time to unlock the power of upselling and take your side hustle to the next level. Upselling is all about offering additional services or upgrades to your existing clients. It's not just a clever sales tactic, it's a way to provide more value and solve problems your clients might not even realize they have. And the best part? It can significantly increase your overall income without requiring you to work more hours. Here's the thing. According to a study by the Harvard Business Review, increasing customer retention by just 5% can lead to an increase in profits of 25% to 95%. That's a huge potential boost to your side hustle income. But how do you tap into this potential? Let's start by identifying opportunities to offer additional services or upgrades. Think about your clients' needs and how you can provide more comprehensive solutions. For example, if you're a graphic designer, instead of just offering logo design, you could create a package that includes business cards and social media graphics. This not only increases the value of the sale, but also enhances client satisfaction. The key to successful upselling is to frame your additional services as solutions to problems your clients may not even realize they have. This approach makes your upsell feel less like a sales tactic and more like a valuable recommendation. Remember, you're not just trying to make more money, you're genuinely helping your clients achieve better results. One effective technique is the bundle approach. This is where you combine multiple services at a discounted rate. It's a win-win situation. Your clients get more value for their money, and you increase your average transaction value. Plus, it encourages clients to purchase more than they initially intended, enhancing their overall experience with your services. Let's look at some real-world examples of successful upsells in different industries. A digital marketing agency reported a 30% increase in revenue after training their team on upselling techniques. They focused on offering clients additional services that complemented their initial purchases. For instance, if a client hired them for social media management, they might suggest adding email marketing to create a more comprehensive digital strategy. Another powerful upselling strategy is to use client feedback to identify opportunities. By regularly checking in with your clients and asking for their thoughts, you can discover additional needs that you can address. This not only helps you increase your income, but also strengthens your client relationships. Now, let's talk about how to present upsells in a way that feels helpful, not pushy. The key is to focus on the value you're providing rather than the sale itself. Instead of saying, "Would you like to add this service for an extra $500? Try something like, "I noticed that adding this service could help you achieve your goals more quickly. Would you like to hear more about how it could benefit you?" Here's a personal story that illustrates the power of upselling. I once had a client who hired me for a basic website design. After discussing their business goals, I realized they could benefit from a more comprehensive digital presence. I suggested adding a blog and social media integration to their website. This upsell not only doubled my project income, but also provided the client with a more effective online strategy. The client was thrilled with the results, and I felt great knowing I had truly helped their business grow. Remember, upselling isn't about pushing services your clients don't need. It's about identifying genuine opportunities to provide more value. When done right, upselling can lead to happier clients and a more profitable side hustle.